Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Audew Jump Starter. It's a 1500 amp or 1800 mAh, 18,000 mAh car battery jump starter with a 15 watt wireless charging. It says it could start up to a 8.5 liter gas or a 6.5 liter diesel. So 12 volt intelligent IC jumper cables. Shout out to Audew. They did send me this to test it and try it out for you guys, see if it works. See if it doesn't, we'll go ahead and try this with the V8, a Chevy V8. So let's unbox this real quick. Alright, so right off the box, so we got an Audew jump starter. Multi-function jump starter, says model E-Power 188. Looks like you got jump starter, power bank, car electronics, torch. Yeah, well, basically a light. It says suitable for all kinds of 12 volt vehicles. It says connect to the blue plug fully seated into the hoist and make sure the cable is indicators off. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal of the battery, and then black to the clamp to the negative terminal of the battery. Operate the following instruction cable indicator on a green light telling the connector is correct and circuit is working. You can now turn on the engine jump start directly. Red lights on the buzzing telling you the connection is wrong. Buzzing alarm to correct the clamps. So it does have some protection, which is a really great feature to include on something like this. And also, if you want to help out the channel so we can buy tools like this, make to review videos. I know we didn't buy this, they sent us this item, but if you guys want to help out the channel so we can buy tools like this, make to review videos, don't forget to help us out by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon down on the comments. Comment down below, see what you think about this. All right, let's go and finish unboxing this. So nothing else in the box. So we got a nice case right off the bat. We got a really nice case here. It does have like a holder here, so you can just hold it with your hand. All right. Okay, first thing out of the box is the jumper or the battery pack. Alright, so looks like we have jumper cable. So obviously you can put your cable there. And then it does have an output, 15 volts, 10 amp. Does have a flashlight. I don't know if you guys could see that there. So it does have a nice flashlight. And up on the right here, or on the other side, you got outputs, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts. And then you got outputs, 5 volts, 2.4 amps. And then it says output input, 3 amps. So it does have a USB type C. So then you're starting to see these. These are more modern. These are really high charging devices, or cables. It says Audew on the side. It does have some literature here in the back. It says Audew E-Power 188 battery capacity 18,000 mAh, 66.6 watt hours, starting current 300 amps, peak current 1500 amps. We got a button here, so obviously you got a nice screen there. It's at 71%. We press it again. Maybe we hold it, see if we get, we get a flashlight. So if we do hold it, we get a nice flashlight. As you guys see, that's pretty bright. So then you got a flashing, and then you got a red light. Nice. So you do got a nice red light there. Alright, there's that. And alright, let's set this aside. let's see what else comes in the box. So right out of the box, we got what is this, USB cable type C. So like I said, this is your faster chargers, your faster cable. Then you got a nice charger here, a wall charger, and then you got the cables here. So I guess if you are having a hard time starting a vehicle, you can hit the boost button, and it'll give you a nice boost. But other than that, I think if you should be able to start it with just when it when it has the green button there. So when it has the green light, you should be able to start it. If it has the red, that means it's connected wrong. You have it reverse. So if you have that, you're going to be able to start it. So try it and start it. If it doesn't work, you can always push the boost cable, so it'll give you more boost, more juice out of the battery pack. It looks like actually they were trapped in here, but it looks like you got a regular USB and a USB type C. A really nice clamps. Pretty nice clamps. And then you got an 8 gauge wire there. We're gonna go ahead and charge this device and test it out outside with the V8, Chevy V8. GMC Sierra. It's a 5.3 liter V8. We will be using this starter to start this vehicle. This vehicle does have problems starting, so just keep that in mind. It's not going to start with the first crank. So this is a really hard vehicle. This vehicle's been sitting in my yard for quite a while. So this battery is completely dead. That's why I decided to just hook the wires up by themselves. As you guys see, I disconnected the battery because the battery is completely flat. So we did connect it there, see what happens. Looks like it's having a hard time, trouble starting, but it did start it. So we got start number 1. And then again I started hearing a beeping noise. It means that the tool was actually asking me to connect the battery even if it's dead. So the tool was telling me to connect the battery and the beep stopped working, and that's pretty much what the tool was telling me to do. So I did connected the battery with the terminals, and I put the boost button in there, and let's see what happens. So it started for a second time. Like I said, this vehicle is really hard to start. It has fuel problems, like like the fuel pump's really bad. So or the internals are bad. Got a third time there that we just started the vehicle. And like I said, I'm so amazed that this starter can actually do this. There's other jump starters that cannot take the load. This many, that much load is just, that's perfect. Having that boost button there, because obviously it's a safety precaution for the battery, so you can just use it whenever you need it. That's the 4th time it's turned on. Now the 5th time they turned on. So I am really putting a bidding on this battery pack. I'm not gonna go easy on this battery pack. And just to let you guys know, this is not the only vehicle we're gonna be trying it on. We're gonna be trying it on a Ford V8. We're gonna be doing this a couple more times here with this engine, trying to stress this battery pack out, see if it gives away, see if it gives out, see if it dies. So we're gonna really stress this battery pack. We're gonna try it one more time. Started the 6th time, the 7th time. Yeah, really amazed at what's happening with this battery jump starter. Seems like they did a great job. 90%, guys. We're still at 90%, and I don't doubt it that they could go for, a lot more than that. So we're still at 90%. Now we got a Ford V8. It's a 5.4 liter. It is a Ford, so all you Ford fans out there, here's your engine. So we're gonna go ahead and test it out before we connect it. Make sure it does not start, because this one sometimes the battery runs down and it doesn't start. Sometimes it does. So we didn't start then. So we're gonna go ahead and connect the battery pack, and it's the same percentage. So I ran from one car to the other. As you guys did see, it's still at 90%. So I did not charge this. I went from one car to another. That's what I did. Okay, so you got the correct the green light. Green light means go and start. Get ready to roll. So we went ahead and started up. 8th time starting this V8. Then I tried it again. It seems like the battery died completely, so it wouldn't start it. So we went ahead and went back to the battery pack and pushed the booster button so we can get a nice boost there. Pressed it again just to make sure I pressed it, because it's real small. So I pressed the boost cable and let's see what happens. Started right up. Number 9. Then start number 10. Yeah, guys, I'm so amazed at this. 11th time. It started an 11th time. That's how good this jump starter is. And I'm not making this up. I'm showing you guys exactly how this works. I try to minimize the cut or the editing of this video so I could 88%, guys, 88%. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one.